Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted users on your Windows 10. So maybe you have 2 users or maybe you have 3 users and you may want to remove them from your PC. So we're going to teach you how to do that specifically and exactly. It's not difficult at all. So first thing you want to do is, and there are 2 ways that you can do this, is that you need to go to your settings section. There are 2 ways to access the settings section. One is here. After that you go on this little bit here, it says settings. Or you want to go here and then you click on all settings. So both of those ways eventually lead to the same place. I'm going to use this one. So as you can see, we have multiple options here. We have this one, the one called accounts. That's the one where we want to go in because obviously we want to remove our accounts. So we logged in here. As you can see, we have a couple of options here. What we want to do is we want to go to family and other users. So let's do that. Now, I've put up 2 extra users besides the one that I use myself. So I have test, I have your quick guides, and I also have another user that is connected to my main Windows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove both of these so you guys can learn. I'm going to first remove. Deleting this person's account will remove all their data from the scene, including items on their desktop, downloads, documents, or I don't know. If this data has not been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC, it will be lost. So it is a good idea to save any data that you might have in there. And by that we mean, you see I go down and I go down and I go to this section. Let's see. When I click on users, as you can see, I just have 1 and 2. This is my main account and this is my public account. So public downloads, you wanna back up any documents or musics or pictures that are located here just to be safe in order that you don't lose anything. Obviously I don't have anything, so I'm feeling pretty good that I can remove it. No problem. So I'm gonna go delete account and data, and as you can see, it's gone. So that's how you do it basically. I can also remove this one, see, because it's not my main account. So there you go. That is how you delete a user on Windows 10. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye-bye.